जाने।
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने।
ना कोई पंडित ना ही सयाने।
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने।
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने, कोई न जाने। गंगा की धारा गुरु चरणन ने सबको तारा।
And when he took them away, he was completely absorbed in serving his Guru. He received the instruction. He took it as his life and soul. He dutifully fulfilled it. And the consequence was he started receiving divine blessings.
Apex wholeheartedly supports Radhe Krishna Temple and all its dedicated efforts to promote positivity, harmony, and goodness within the community. Now, therefore, I, Jacques K. Gilbert, Mayor of Apex, North Carolina, do hereby proclaim Sunday, July 21st, 2024, as Radhe Krishna Temple Day of Community Enrichment in the town of Apex.
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने। गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने। ना कोई पंडित ना ही सयाने।
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने।
गुरु की महिमा कोई न जाने, कोई न जाने, कोई न जाने, कोई न जाने।
कोई न जाने। कोई न जाने।
And it was a blessing to be here today to present a proclamation. And then Swamiji, of course, this is my second time hearing a lecture from him. It was truly amazing in Morrisville last night and then today. This right here resonated with me. Surrender your intellect, and I will take that with me forever.
That it's so great when the Swamiji comes and shares his wisdom. He's a good friend to our community, and we love to see him every year, and we look forward to a full week of his wisdom this year, and then we'll see him again next year. Thank you all so much.